Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a latte, or really how I make a latte on the decent DE1. I think there's been a lack of POV espresso content. We are making a ton of these really aesthetically shot videos, but this will just be that quick and dirty video to show you guys how the heck do you use this machine. And if you're just tuning in because you want to see me make a latte, thanks for doing that. So first of all, I turn the machine on, and I'm going to just take beans out of my airscape here. This is a Paper Moon Ethiopia. Going to turn on the black mirror here, set my niche dosing cup on the scale, and I have some residual beans that flew out somehow. And I'm just going to weigh out 18 grams. I'm using Damien's La Marzocco Leva profile, and I am currently, I believe, very dialed in. It's also really late at night, or going to be late at night, and 17.9, close enough. Just gonna toss it in here. Gonna grind. I have my milk and my cup there already. Okay, I'm just going to turn on the Akaya Lunar there, double check, make sure it's hooked up to the DE1 there. Boom, boom. Bluetooth light is on. Take out my portafilter. Sometimes things get hot, so you just need to give it a little wipe down. And then this is the Niche Zero workflow, which is fun. Look at that. I'm just going to do a toothpick WDT and then distribute, or level, I should say. So sometimes your grounds will go up to like 1 or 2 sides because the Niche Zero is, or this funnel is a little interesting to work with. Anyway, we're just going to do a brief toothpick distribution, toothpick WDT. Sometimes your grinds will fly off like that, but not really that big of a concern for me at least. And as long as your puck prep with this machine is like consistent enough, you're not going to get bad results, is what I'll say. Anyway, this seems to be good enough for just a quick leveling. And then what I'm going to do right after is I'm just going to take my decent tamper, give it a quick tamp, and there we go. Nice. Lock in like so. This is the Acme Evo cup, Evo Latte Art cup, or Latte cup. I'm going to pull a shot. This is just going to stop at 36 grams. I hope you can see that. And now I'm just going to get ready for it to steam. So, wondering if we can show you this. Or actually, I'll just show you the data here. I think this is kind of dialed in, but if it isn't, we'll figure it out. Now we're building pressure. Those pre-infusion drops look really good. Now it's building pressure. And this machine actually only goes up to 8 bars for the La Marzocco Leva. Now we're in the decline, and it should stop at 36 grams. Or 35.6, 35.7, pretty close. This looks like a great curve. And there you go, that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do next is I am going to steam. Here is this guy actually, the WPM pitcher. And what you can do actually is sort of rest your left hand on this handle sometimes. But I usually steam the other direction. I hold my pitcher the other direction, but we'll do it this way so we can sort of see it in the camera, hopefully. Okay, I think I've added enough air. It's hard to tell at this angle, but I'm using this little thing as like a little support. Now I'm feeling for temperature. And as you see, hopefully in the camera, the roll is pretty good. Now it's getting pretty warm. This is a fairly large cup, and I'm just using basic whole milk. Okay, this is getting good. Okay, seems pretty good to me, and it'll auto purge. And then I'm just gonna take my towel, give it a nice wipe. There we go. All right, let's hope we can get some good latte art. Usually, I can do it with this cup, but we'll see. So that looks pretty good in terms of steam, and it's not bumping into anything. And let's see if we can get anything. This is one of my newer experiences of using this WPM pitcher. Okay. All right. Looking good. All right, we ran out of milk. I should have put a little bit more milk. There are no markings in this picture, but that is a latte. And because it is 1 a.m., I'm not going to drink this, but that is how you use the Decent DE1 and make a latte with it. So thank you for watching, and I'll probably be posting more of these POV videos down the line.